guys, so today, if you can't tell, it is very windy and it's blizzarding, and some horses don't have blankets, so I have this cart full of blankets over here. I'm gonna need to haul this both of them. Attached, let's go. Heavy, I can't do it, it's too windy. Right, I brought Himalaya for you so you can haul her with it. Oh my god, thank you, Patricia. Oh my god, I'm attached. It's okay, you have to keep going. No, it's really hard, but you have to. It's okay, come on, you have to keep going. Come on, I'll tie you up here. Here we go, I almost got one. Got it in the pen, but they're all really spooky. Hey boy, I know you're scared. It's fully on. Boy, that should be nice and toasty one now. Now we grab this one. Ouch, the wind. Bro, I gotta put your blankie on. Come on. Here we go, pretty good. One piece. Molly straps. Bro, I know you get cold quite easily. Get this one. Ouch, the wind. Put your blanket on, boy. Go. Molly straps. There we go, they're done. Good boy. I'm gonna go through really quickly, check over the herd. The ranger looks good. Looks good. These two ones. Oh my god! Oh, are you okay? Oh my goodness. Must have been too strong for her. We'll have to bring her up. I don't have a staff on her, but she'll have to just stay in there loose. It's okay, girl. Back on the wagon, I just gotta check on the others. Blast, are you alright? I know you don't have a blanket, boy, but I can't get you one, and you're gonna have to be okay. It's okay, buddy. And your mom, she's doing good. She always does good in blizzards. But, oh my god, go, Himalaya. Okay, let's go. Look, everybody's making way for us. This is good. Come on, girl. Just pull your cart over here. It's okay. Come on. This wind is really strong. It's okay. Come on. You're so big back. Here you go, girl. I'm gonna go get you a blanket. No, I don't have another actual human blanket, but I have a human one. I don't have any more horse ones. I don't know. Here you go. It's okay, girl. Come on, girl. Let's go. Oh my god. At least we're here when I fall off. Come on. I haven't picked up. Come on, girl. God, this should be better. It's okay. Don't down too close to the door, good girl. Sure, could you put Himalaya away? I think I got all of them. Wait. That pen over there, it's empty. Where are the mamas and babies? Oh my god, I forgot about them. I didn't see them through the snow. I'm so sorry. Well, you have to go get them. They're going to be too cold, and what if something happens to the babies? We're going to have to bring them in the pen if something bad happens. And Himalaya's not going to be strong enough to ride over there, and you can't walk in that heavy snow it's going to have. You have to go get them. Oh, okay. Oh, go. I'm so sorry. Don't be sorry to me. Be sorry to them. Go. Oh, okay. Ouch. Himalaya. Loser. Ugh. Just gotta leave her tied. Let's go. Come on. I can't see, girl. We have to. Come on. God, this wind, it's so strong. Oh my god, poor things. You okay, honey? Oh. At least got the halter on the wall. I'm just gonna lift the baby down. He's freezing, but I got them tied up to Himalaya. I wish you guys had much back at the bone. The babies are freezing. Patricia, can you get them off their leads? I'll leave them on. I'm gonna put the babies in the pen and get the babies' blankets on so the moms aren't being buttholes about it. Okay. They look pretty good. Now the moms. Okay, now let's put them in the pen. I'm gonna go make sure all the animals are okay. You go put Himalaya back. Oh, okay. Cows, I'm just gonna move them back closer to the house. Be alright right here. I'm gonna move you on a horse pen. Come on. Looks pretty good. I hope they don't beat up or anything. This is not the time to sleep. I'm not sleeping. We're gonna die. I don't know what you're saying, but you seem pretty stressed. Come on, let's go in there. Okay. This donkey be making some weird sounds. Did you get all the dogs and stuff? I don't have them behind you. awesome. But it is snowing. Nah, I'm gonna go. Monkey, come back. Where are you going? Edie! Where are we? I can't see anything. Where did we go? Where are we? We're lost. Everyone get close. Okay, Mom. Hey, not you. We're gonna die. No. Oh, I don't feel so.